One of the paradoxes of life is that the best things seem to come as a result of being on the edge of uncomfortable.
Sweet girl.
The truth is, you can't have moments like this in the great outdoors without being willing to deal with some moments of difficulty and frustration and inconvenience. Many say that they'd love to experience the unforgettable moments of camping with your family amongst the majesty and grandeur of towering mountains or deep canyons. But many people will probably never experience the 5 million star hotel, because in order to do so, you have to be willing to deal with lots of setting camp up and taking camp down, diaper changes and wardrobe changes, car seat naps and emotional breakdowns.
Doesn't taste like the one at the house.
Lots of rain, mud, even hailstorms. Constant tumbles and dirty clothes, wash rag baths and pit toilets. Wet feet and unsure footing. And of course the endless snacking, meal prep, and dishwashing without your home kitchen. But oh, so many memories that can be made on the edge of uncomfortable. Everyone loves a smooth road. It's nice and easy and comfortable. And plenty of beauty can be seen along these types of roads. But it's when you begin to ease off onto the dirt roads, and those roads begin to get a little more rugged. Eventually they become a little narrower. Ultimately they become a little bumpier. Sometimes they even become quite a bit steeper. But oftentimes it's in these moments that you're given a better chance to see and experience things that few others get to, simply because you're willing to get a little uncomfortable. Smooth roads get us there fast, but rougher roads force us to slow down. And sometimes we need to be slowed down. Every single day we were rained on. And naturally this led to frustration at times, trying to stay dry, limit the mud and the mess that would inevitably come as a result of having 3 kids with us. But if every single day was cloudless blue skies, we would not have ever been able to witness the sheer beauty of scenes like this sunrise. Not just were we spending time beneath the clouds, but also among the clouds. Camping intentionally manufactures unnecessary discomfort, but in the end, it yields some major payouts as a result. And if nothing else, it forces you to disconnect and spend time with your loved ones and reflect on the goodness of our Creator. Too much, too much, too much. Blow it. Blow it for Jackson, blow it for her. The things that come easy aren't always the things that we most appreciate. All week long, Jackson wanted so badly to catch a fish. Every day he tried, and then finally we found the spot.
Just let it stay. Hold on. You still pulling? Real? You got him? Yeah, buddy, yeah! Yeah, that's a good one! Reel him up, reel him up, reel him up! Good for a shot.
I got it by myself.
Yeah. What do you think, man? Wait, what did you say? You want to send it to Landon and Tyler? All right.
Yeah.
Nice catch, Mama.
Thanks. Hold the baby and everything.
Gently.
Hey, hold my fish. You're posing with my fish. Wow. That's
All
my
right.
fish. You caught it for me. I caught it for you.
Got him?
Hey,
All right.
it looks like, whoa! So I guess Emmy thought that Mom caught a fish for her, but that was Mom's fish, right?
It was. But you know who kind of caught the last one?
Yeah.
Me. Even though you reeled it in. So, I helped you too.
Yes, we both catched it.
You got it, man. Good work. Good work.
All I want to do is fish.
That's all you want to do?
Uh-huh.
Why? You don't want to take pictures?
I'm gonna...
You're going to lead her the way on the map?
No, I'm gonna look at it.
Okay. Are you following the map?
Failure teaches you resilience. Discomfort teaches you perseverance. And discomfort teaches you how to figure things out that you're not normally challenged with. It also teaches you how to cope with frustration and unmet expectations. It teaches you to try new things that might be a little bit scary at first. And ultimately, to be thankful for all of the comforts at home that you're often so easily afforded. As we headed home, I thought about the irony of this trip. The irony is that we explored some old cliff dwellings of Native Americans and also some old homesteads of miners, both of whom could have never dreamed of the modern-day comforts that most of us enjoy. We even sacrificed a modern flushing toilet for the week. They'd never even seen one. Shame on us if we ever take these things for granted. But if we're not careful, we'll become so enamored with our modern-day conveniences and comforts that we'll completely miss out on all of the opportunities that come from pushing ourselves a little bit to the edge of uncomfortable.
I don't know.
For you, it may not be camping, but one thing's for sure, we all need to get up off of the couch sometimes and just get uncomfortable.